Hello guys! Today's video, we're going to cook broccoli. Oh, bakit? Hello guys! These videos... Hope you enjoy na... video, we're going to cook beef, mushroom, and snowpeas. It is just a simple dishes, but it makes us healthy. So let's get started. My ingredients are snowpeas, mushroom, next one, beef, thinly sliced, one, minced garlic, and minced ginger. For the sauce, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and add some minced ginger and minced garlic, and add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix all together. Okay, let's start for saute. So the garlic and the ginger mix together. Saute until it gets brown. Now you can add the beef. Fry it until it gets soft and gets brown. So wait about maybe 5 minutes. Make sure to make slow medium heat. I think it's okay now. So we can put the mushroom. Mix all together. Wait until it softs with the mushroom. Add a little bit amount of water. And now, since the mushroom is soft, we will put the sauce. To mix well. Wait about 2 to 3 minutes. Boiling, and after that we will put the snowpeas. Okay, the last one is the snowpeas. Just wait again 2 minutes and ready to serve. Here we go, ready to serve.
Thanks for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!